What's up, friend? This is Daniel N0RY with BridgeCom Systems, here to announce our QSO Kickoff giveaway. We are blasting right into fall with giving away a ton of the best DMR equipment on the market, guys. We're going to be giving you an entire Ham Shack Pack 2 worth over $2,180. Let's go right into what you're going to win. This is actually, we're going to be giving away our Ham Shack Pack 2, which is the Ham Shack Pack just with the second generations of radios with the Anytone 878 UV2 Plus and the Anytone 578 UV3 Plus, guys. So what this all entails, this video is just going to go through everything you're going to be getting here and a little bit about each of the items, if you guys were curious. And we're also going to be giving away our secret word here so that you guys get a ton of extra entries. So let's go through everything right now. All right, guys, so the mainstay of the line here of the package is going to be the Anytone 878 UV2 Plus dual band DMR HT, guys. This is our most popular, top of the line DMR HT, guys, with tons of awesome features. You've got up to 7 watts transmitting power on VHF, 6 watts on UHF. This radio is going to be dual mode DMR and analog, as well as dual band 440 and 2 meters, guys. Has a ton of cool features, a 500,000 person contact list, Bluetooth capabilities so you can actually talk hands-free, APRS transmit and receive, and a ton of other stuff. And guys, this, for the value, there is no better radio than this radio. It's got a 3100 milliamp hour battery. So literally, we have reports from users that this radio will last for literally days, if not weeks, without a charge. And even this one in the studio here, it sits here and I use it occasionally. It literally has lasted for weeks on a single battery, guys. So guys, this mobile is basically the mobile version of this handheld with a few other features. So the biggest advantage with the mobile, of course, is that you actually get a lot more transmitting power. So up to 50 watts of transmitting power on this mobile for VHF, and then for 45 watts for UHF, guys. So this is actually, this mobile here is pretty compact, so you can mount it in the vehicle, definitely in the front without taking up a ton of space, whether it be on your dash, under your seat, something like that. And you got this really nice, DTMF microphone here. So that way you can have all your buttons and everything accessible to you right here on the mic. So you got a really cool bright color display on this mobile radio as well. All the buttons and knobs and everything that you'll need to control it. Everything comes right here, plug and play with the mobile here. Other cool things about this mobile radio, guys, it's got a few features that the handheld does not. One of those is going to be airband receive. So airband receive is actually the ability to listen to air traffic frequencies, whether that be airplanes or air traffic control towers. This radio can actually listen to those. So if you want to just get some entertainment or see what's going on with your local air traffic, this radio can listen to it. It also has the ability to transmit and receive on 220 megahertz band. This is actually a tri-band radio, so you've got up to 5 watts of transmitting power on 220. So, there's not very many 220 radios out there right now, and this is awesome because it does everything you'd want out of your mainstay mobile radio with the ability to have 220 as well. So you really have one radio. Like if you need one mobile and one handheld to cover the entire tech bands for you, these two are all you're gonna need. Both of these have extremely intuitive programming software. You can actually use the same code plugs and programming on each one, and all this stuff that comes with our BridgeCom University beginner to expert course. So each of them has a dedicated video tutorial series with each product, and so you can actually go from zero to hero with your handheld or your mobile or even your Skybridge, which I'll get into next. The other main piece of this package, guys, is going to be our Skybridge dual band DMR hotspot, guys. This is our top of the line hotspot that we actually have engineered and assembled right here in America, guys. We came up with this from scratch, from the ground up, totally designed and engineered by our engineers here at BridgeCom Systems, guys. So what this is going to allow you to do is we actually, with this package, this Ham Shack pack that you're getting, we've actually plug and play programmed this Skybridge with your handheld and your mobile. So this whole package is going to come totally pre-programmed from the factory with your information, guys. So literally all you have to do to set this up is just plug these devices in and you're gonna be on the air making contact, guys. It's literally that easy. And all that's available at any time through our plug and play package, which you can get with just the hotspot and the radio individually, or in this configuration, in this Ham Shack pack for when you want the big kahuna, everything involved. So you don't have to go searching around for all the bits and pieces and accessories you're gonna wanna get anyway. So this Skybridge is actually dual band, meaning you can actually use it on 440 and 2 meters, whether you have, so with this radio, or any kind of 440 2-meter DMR radio. It also works with Fusion radios and D-Star radios, guys. And what it's going to allow you to do is use your radio and connect to this device, which is then going to connect to the internet, and you're going to be able to basically make contacts all around the world with linked repeater systems and other hotspot users all across the place. It's got this beautiful, really bright display here, guys. Super cool. This is like really gives you a lot of information right here. You know, shows the users you're talking to, as well as your IP address. So you actually can just plug it in and pull that IP right off the screen here, so you don't have to go searching for it. Now, guys, those are going to be the mainstays of this package, guys. You're also with this package going to get a ton of other awesome accessories, like all of these Anytone handheld accessories, like extra battery, high gain antenna, battery eliminator case, earpiece, a ton of cool stuff there. You're actually going to be getting an LPX18 power supply from BridgeCom, and you're going to get the Anytone tri-band mobile antenna right here, so that way you can actually, you know, power your radio and have an awesome antenna for it that's going to work tri-band for that 440 2-meter and 220 capability. Now, guys, let me remind you again, this comes with our BridgeCom University for each radio and device. So we have a BridgeCom University for the handheld, the mobile, and the Skybridge hotspot there. So guys, with this package, you're actually going to get an ultra code plug as well. And what that is a pre-done code plug that actually gives you pre-programmed channels for all 50 states, other countries like Canada, Europe, Germany, Australia. All these different talk groups are going to be pre-set up for you. It's going to come with NOAA weather channels and a ton of other programming in there as well, guys. This package is worth over $2,100, so you can outfit your entire shack. All right, guys, we got to be quiet. I'm going to tell you the secret word, but nobody else can know, guys. Guys, the secret word is football. Football, guys.
The secret word's football?
Oh shoot, we gotta get out of here. Now, go ahead and, you know, if you're seeing this for the first time, go ahead and sign up if you wanna win all this awesome equipment, guys. And in addition to that, if you're interested in all this stuff and, you know, you wanna go ahead and enter the giveaway by all means, but if you wanna ask any of us about this, like what are these things, you know, ask us any kind of DMR questions, ask us about these products if you're looking to get on DMR, guys, please give us a call or visit us online at bridgecomsystems.com, guys. All that information is going to be in the description below this video. We'd love to talk to you and answer any DMR questions you have, or any questions about this package in general, whether you're trying to sign up for the giveaway or you're trying to actually get on a DMR or upgrade the package that you've got, guys. This is available from our store right now, this package, and you can actually get the plug and play package right here and the mobile, or a mobile plug and play package if you want, guys. The possibilities are endless, and we can pretty much set up anything for you. We can actually, as a part of our services, we will, for free, we'll actually help you set up your DMR ID as well as your Brandmeister password, so that way you got all the credentials you'll need. We'll do that as a service just because we like you guys. And so if you need help with any of that, please give us a call at our number, 816-532-8451. Okay, friends, if you want to win all this DMR equipment worth over $2,180, guys, go ahead and click the link in the description below this video to sign up for this giveaway and be entered to win all this awesome DMR equipment. Go ahead and sign up now.